ito ipapatupad. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, Binibini number 7. And now let's continue our question and answer portion with our Binibini number 8. The most friendly among our candidates, of course. Okay, Binibini 8, here's your question. How can you make Barangay Mambog proud of you? Okay? How can you make Barangay Mambog proud of you?
Thank you for that question. Sa tingin ko, magiging proud ang Barangay Mambog sa akin. Kasi, sa tingin ko, magiging proud ang Barangay Mambog sa akin dahil sa aking pinakitang lakas dahil we had a motor accident last night before the coronation. And hindi ko alam kung kakayanin ko ngayong gabi. Hindi ko alam kung mapapakita ko, kung kakayanin ko na rumampa sa harapan niyong lahat. Pero bilang isang Mambogenyo at bilang isang katangian ng isang Mambogenyo, kaya kong maging matabang para ipakita sa inyong lahat ang kakayahan ko. And I thank you.
Thank you so much. So our Binibini 8, kaya pala ang daming galos sa katawan. Alright, let's move on to candidate number 9. Alright, candidate number 9, pick your question. And here's your question. Which Disney character should be a role model to young people like you in this generation and why? I repeat the question. Which Disney character should be a role model to young people like you in this generation and why?
Thank you so much for that wonderful question. Para po sa akin, si Cinderella po. Dahil sa dami ng sa dami ng paghihirap sa kanya, kinaya niya pa rin. Kinaya niya na hindi lang siya basta siya. At kaya naniniwala po ako, nakakayanin ko rin lahat ng problemang meron ako. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, Binibini 9. This time, let's move out to our Binibini 10. Alright, Binibini 10, pick your question. And she picked the biggest paper. Mukhang haba ng question. Okay, here's your question. In the recent World Happiness Report 2023, the Philippines meanwhile dropped in 16 places and now in the 76th place. With a sudden drop of the Philippines in the ranking, do you still believe that it's more fun in the Philippines? Explain your answer. I repeat the question. In the recent World Happiness Report 2023, the Philippines meanwhile dropped in 16th place and now in the 76th place. With a sudden drop of the Philippines in the ranking, do you still believe that it's more fun in the Philippines? Explain your answer.
Thank you for your beautiful question. I believe that it's more fun in the Philippines, even though bumaba yung results natin ng happiness. Because I believe yung mga Pilipino, mahilig silang mag-try ng mga bagong bagay. According to Albert Einstein, if you never try new things, you never learn. Kaya masasabi ko na masasaya ang Pilipino dahil tayong lahat ay mahilig mag-try ng mga bagong bagay. Kahit sa tingin natin hindi natin kaya, kinakaya natin. Hiraya Manawari, everyone!
Thank you very much, Binibini 10. And now let's move on to our Binibini 11. Okay, Binibini 11, pick your question. Okay, this is your question. Describe your life without internet. Do you think your generation could afford to lose such a thing? Describe your life without internet. Do you think your generation could afford to lose such a thing?
I would describe our life or our generation without internet us miserable. Because all of the things that we can learn, we can empower, we can connect is through internet. And without internet, without it, it would be awful to us because it is the one thing that connects us through these tough times. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Binibini 11. And now, so let's move on to our Binibini number 12. All right, Binibini number 12, pick your question. Okay, this is your question. When everything is being posted on social media, what do you think should remain private? Okay, I have a question. When everything is being posted on social media, what do you think should remain private?
Thank you for a wonderful question. Sa tingin ko, ang sexual harassment. Dahil dito, maraming kabataan na nakakapanood, lalo na ang mga minor, kaya dahil dito, maraming mga batang maagang nabubuntis at dapat po tayo maging isang halimbawa ng mga batang hindi pa alam kung ano ang totoong tama. At dahil dito, kung tayo ay uunlad, masasabi kong batang mambug ako. And I thank you.
Thank you, Binibini 12. And now let's move on out to our second to the last candidate, our Binibini 13. All right, Binibini 13, pick your question. And your question is, what 3-word is better than I love you? Okay, I have a question. What 3-word is better than I love you?
First of all, good evening everyone, and thank you for that such wonderful question. For me, the 3 words better than I love you is I am sorry. Dahil sa salitang ito, nagkakaroon tayo ng pagkakaunawaan, pagkakaisa at pagmamahalan sa isa't isa. That's sa sorry na ito, nagkakaroon tayo ng mas magandang relasyon sa ibang tao at mas naiintindihan natin ang kanilang mga point of view sa buhay. And I thank you.
Thank you so much. And the silence is to our last candidate, candidate number 14. All right, pick your question. And of course, thank you so much, Kay Kurt. Okay, this is your question. Give me your sentiment about poverty. Okay, give me your sentiment about poverty.
Thank you for that wonderful question. Para po sa akin, ang poverty, ito ay natural na bagay na lang sa mundo, sa Pilipinas. Nangyayari ito sa atin para mag-improve ang ating bansa. Dahil sa poverty, maraming taong nahihirapan, pero dahil din dito, maraming tao ang nakakatulong dahil dito. At dahil sa poverty na ito, makaka-improve at makakabago ito sa ating bansa. And I thank you.
Alright, thank you very much. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That's conclude the final question and answer portion of our Binibini Mambog 2024. Palakpakan naman po natin silang lahat. Thank you once again, Binibinis. Congratulations to all our candidates for a job well done. With your real confidence and statement, tunay ngang may boses ang kabataan ng Barangay Mambog. And in a few minutes, an exciting year will begin for our new Ginawa Binibini Mambog 2024. But before that, let us pay way to the reigning kings and queens commitment. It's as astonishing as their beauty and character. For the last time, ladies and gentlemen, the Ginawa Binibini Mambog 2023, and therefore, Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Gino Okmambok 2023 Turismo, Mark Adrian Guerra.
When I decided to join it's truly been an unforgettable ride filled with adventure, surprises, challenges, growth, tears, and spark. I remember the main reason why I joined Ginawa in Bilibong was to encourage my younger brother to